In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a virtual tour to a custom property field, and that can be used either in the guest login or it can be used pulled through via our API to your website. So the first thing to do is to go to Properties, Custom Fields. I'm going to create, which I've already done, a multi-line text box. In this case, I've called it Matterport Tour because it's a Matterport tour that I'm loading. The name of it doesn't matter so much, but it needs to be a multi-line text box. In this case, I've set it to show on the guest login as well. If you're just using this on your website via our API, then you may not choose to have this. So then in a property, Properties, Edit, and then in Custom Fields, got my Matterport tour, and in here I've pasted the embed code or the iframe code that has been provided to me from my Matterport tour. So this, you should be provided something like this from the person that supplied you with the tour. I put a title in here, Virtual Tour. When I save that, you'll see this box appear with a red iframe. You're not going to see the tour within the editor, but that code can then be pulled through via API. So the custom form fields are available in our API. Your web developer can find it there and then pull that through to your website. Or in this case, I'm showing it in my guest login. So we added it to Rose Cottage here. So under Other Info, you can see here that the virtual tour has appeared.